Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to switch payment method to manual in Google Ads. Now the first thing to do is to access your billing settings. Now in your Google Ads account, click on the tools and settings icon. It looks like a wrench. That's it. Next step you need to do is select billings and then select settings. Then locate how you pay. There's this section titled how you pay. So locate it and look for the option that says switch to manual or a similar phrase. And once you found it, click on this option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to switch to manual payment. Confirm the change. It's as simple as that. Now, manual payments requires pre-funding. So with manual payments, you will need to manually add funds to your Google Ads account before your ads can run. Also, if your account balance falls below the required amount, your ads will stop running until you add more funds. So consider your spending habits, because manual payments are best suited for advertisers who have a close eye on their ad spend and prefer to control their budget more precisely. By following these steps, you can successfully switch your Google Ads payment method from automatic to manual. Remember to monitor your account balance closely to ensure your ads continue to run without interruption. Note that this information is for general guidance only. The exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Google Ads account settings and the current version of the Google Ads interface you're using. Always refer to the official Google Ads Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. See you in the next video. Bye for now.